Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to download new fonts, especially for those users that are using Adobe After Effects or Adobe Photoshop and you need a particular type of font. For example, I needed this font here to go faster, and I needed a lemon milk or something like that. And the site's pretty decent. I mean, there's other sites, but typically I find most everything that I need on this one. So basically all you have to do is click the download link. I'm not gonna click it. I already did. And basically once it's done downloading, you should see in the lower left side, you just click Show in Folder, and then it should be highlighted. Right click it, and then you should have, even if you're on Windows 7 or 10, you should have 7-zip. If you don't, you should have some type of zip file. If you don't, let me know and I can steer you in the right direction. But click Extract File. Click on this little area right here. Now, I created, before I started this, a fonts file, which I already have the font installed in there. But what you're going to do is you're going to go back to the folder that you were in. You're going to go here, 7-zip, extract file, and you're going to pick the file that you create. In my case, I did that, and you click OK. I'm not going to do it because I already downloaded this file. But once you get in here, all you have to do is double click the folder and right click, and then just hit install, and it'll do that right there, and that's it. And that font will now show up anywhere fonts show up: Microsoft Word, Adobe After Effects, Photoshop. So if this helps you out, go ahead and like and subscribe, and have a great night.